Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to IBDP with Oyon, and in today's video we are going to solve IBDP geometric questions. So let's start solving them. Alright, so the first question it asked, an open top right circular cylinder, no lid, has radius of 8 cm and height of 20 cm. Find its surface area in terms of pi. Alright, so basically we are given with a radius 8 cm and a height of 20 cm, and we have to prove that we have to find the surface area in terms of pi. And also it is mentioned that that is a open top right circular cylinder, so there is no lid. The main formula we need for this to find the surface area in terms of pi is surface area is equals to curved surface plus base. So the formula for curved surface of a cylinder is 2 pi r h, and we have got the radius and the height, so we can easily find this. So it will be 2 pi into 8 centimeter of radius into 20 centimeter of height, and the answer is 320 pi. So this is for the curved surface, and for the base the formula is only pi r square, as it's a circle in the base. Pi into 8 square, so the answer is 64 pi. Alright, so we have got the curved surface area, which is 320 pi, and we have got the base, which is 64 pi. So our total answer is, if we add them, it will be 384 pi centimeters square. So the surface area is this. Alright, now it's time for the second question. In the second question, it asks that a right circular cone has a base diameter of 12 centimeter and a slant height of 10 centimeter. So we have to calculate its volume correct to 1 decimal place. So we need to keep this in mind. Alright, first of all, for the volume of a cone, we need a vertical height, not a slant height. So to find the vertical height, we have to find the height. So for this, we have got a diameter, so the base will be radius of 6 centimeter, and a slant height is 10 centimeter. If we do Pythagoras theorem, then we can find the h. Let me make this more clear. I'm drawing the cone here. So it says that a circular cone and a diameter of 12 centimeter of, so there is a diameter of 12 centimeter, and the slant height is 10 centimeters. So the slant height is 10 centimeter. So basically we have got a slant height and a base, so we have to find the vertical height here. So to find this vertical height, we can do Pythagoras of this part, and we can find the vertical height, as we have got the slant height, and from the base we can get the radius of 6 centimeter. We have to just find this height. Alright, so let's do Pythagoras. H square is equals to 10 square plus 6 square, which is h is equals to 10 square plus 6 square, and our h will be 8. Okay, now the volume formula. So the formula of volume for a cone is V is equals to 1/3 pi r square into h. So if we put all the values here, it will be 1/3 into pi. So we have got r, so r will be 6 square, and the height is 8. So our answer will be V is equals to 96 pi. And to put it in one decimal place, it will be v is equals to 301.6. Alright, now it's time for the third question. So the question says, a company manufactures rectangular boxes with square bases and is open at the top. The material of the base cost $2 per square meter, while the material for the side cost $1 per square meter. The box is to have a volume of 8 cubic meter. So this is the box. And the first question, it says, let x be the side length of the base and h be the height of the box. Express h in terms of x. Alright. First, we need to understand what it says. The base of the square is, the side is x, and the height is h, and the volume is 8 centimeters square, and we need to find the height and express it in terms of x. Alright, volume formula for this is volume is equals to base area into height, and for the base it says that base side is x, so it will be x squared into h, and the volume is 8. So the answer will be h is equals to 8 by x squared. Now part B, it says write an expression for the total cost C of the material in terms of x. So from the question, as we can see earlier, it says that the base is equals to cost $2 per meter square, and the sides, it cost $1 per meter square. So we got the area of the base, which is x square, and the cost for base is $2. So it will be multiplied by 2, which is 2x square is the cost for this, the base. And for sides, it is, the base is x and the height times height. So, and the cost is $1. So it will be, for this one side, it will be 1xh, and for 4 sides, it will be 4xh. Now the h value, well, we already get this in part A, so we can substitute this as 4x times 8 by x squared. So our final cost will be C is equals to 2x squared plus 4x times 8 by x squared. And if we simplify this, it will be 2x squared plus 4 will be go in that side, so it can be written as 32 by x if we cut the x and x. So this is the final answer. Alright, I hope you guys understand the questions and how to solve them. If you guys have any question, you guys can ask me in the comment section. Till then, thank you.